Good afternoon to all my wonderful viewers out there, and welcome back to another unboxing video, the series where I obviously unbox my various streetwear, sneaker, and sometimes even jewelry purchases on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the First Arrows double feather ring that I picked up from their online store. Yeah, that's it guys. I got my second First Arrows piece. Obviously a little while ago I got my first one, which was their eagle ring here with turquoise in it, and now I now have my second piece, which is the double feather ring. I really wanted this one for this middle finger here in between the Chrome Hearts classic oval ring and this one here, and I picked it up in a Japanese 23, which is it'd be a US like 10 3/4 or a 10.75, or maybe just under an 11. It'd be around that sizing there. It's one size smaller than the turquoise ring that I picked up here, because I tried this ring on this finger and it just felt like a little loose, so I just decided to go down one Japanese size just to make sure that it fit. But yeah, I eventually would love to get like a full collection of First Arrows pieces. I'm slowly building that one. I need to actually get more on this hand though, and replace some of the rings on this one, because it's looking a little bit bare and a little bit different over here. But yeah, well, I'll be unboxing it today for you guys. I'm very keen to get into this one. I'm very happy to have this ring in hand now and actually get into it. So yeah, let's get to unboxing it and actually open up this piece. A lot of tape on this this actual package, so I'm gonna just try and like cut across with my very trusty like kitchen scissors here and hope to not actually cut anything on the inside, if there is anything on the inside here. Hopefully there's not. There's a bit of cardboard here, but yeah, I really like the Native American design that First Arrows does for their jewelry and for a lot of their just like leather goods and accessories in general. I really hope to pick up like one of their like bracelets as well one day, and a lot of the other pieces that they have for offer, because they just make really nice silver jewelry. It's not sterling silver as well, because from what I've read, First Arrows prides themselves on their like 95% silver, which is a little bit more pure than sterling, as sterling is 92.5%, which is why you see it as 0.925 and whatnot on sterling silver rings and stuff. But here it is here. First Arrows since 1996, a little bit before I was born there. We have a card with the warranty expressing that if any of your rings or pieces are ever damaged, they can repair them. Sometimes, depending on how bad it is, they might have to ask for a very like big fee to repair it, but most of the time they're willing to repair their pieces. So it kind of comes with, well, they say it there, a lifetime guarantee. But I quite like that idea that like if I damage any of the pieces, I can bring them back to First Arrows and they can fix it up for me, which is like always a nice gesture. It makes me feel that I can wear this a bit more, I guess, rebelliously, because if I damage it, I can always get it repaired. But here it is here in its little compartment here. We'll get this ring open and unboxed here. Very keen to see how it all looks in the end. So we'll get it out of the bag. There we go there. It says First Arrows Fine Silver Jewelry Art Shop. I'd love to actually see their art shop or their shop in general. I think that'd be really cool to actually witness, to see how how they produce their goods, but also to just see their store. There is a store in Melbourne which actually sells First Arrow jewelry, and I am going to Melbourne sometime soon, so maybe I need to check out just at least a boutique that sells First Arrows to kind of see like, I don't know, what it looks like aesthetically and what kind of shop would sell them, I suppose. But yeah, we'll get into it. Open up the little gift bag that we have here and open up the ring in question. So here we are. It comes in a little like faux leather bag with the same branding on it there. We'll get this one out of its thing here. Okay, so here is the ring itself. And we've got, I'll try and get it out. we've got the double feather detailing. So I don't know if the camera is going to be able to pick it up because it's like, there we go. It's very, very shiny. Now you're probably wondering, Daniel, where is the 18 karat like section of it? Well, I've actually got to pull it apart and kind of do it that way and actually bend the silver a little bit. I feel bad for like bending the silver a little bit, but there we get the double feather effect to it with the 18. I'll try and do it that way. With the 18 karat stamp, their brand stamp on it there. I'm gonna see if I can get it to focus. I don't know if it's gonna actually focus or not. We're struggling a bit. What happens if I do it against the background of like the bag? Does that kind of work? No, that's an even worse. Oh, okay. I spoke too soon. There we go. As you can see, you have to bend the actual silver a bit back here to be able to showcase it. But there is the double feather with the actual stamp on it. I'm going to see if I can get even closer with it to see if it kind of picks it up. But there we go. It has the 18 karat little gold stamp on it and the 2 feathers there showcased there. I'll try it on finger now to see how it looks. I think I'm going to have it out facing this way. Yeah. And then there we go. I was a little bit worried about actually like bending the material back, but there it is on hand. I might try and bring like the feathers a little bit closer together, but there is the double feather ring with the little 18 karat stamp on it. And I think it actually works like quite tastefully there. I'm gonna have to try and like bend it like without like, I don't want to break it at all. I'm so hesitant to like actually bend it, but there is how it looks. Oh man, I'm gonna have to play around with this to try and get it how I like want it to look exactly, but I think it's wow, look how small the actual band on the back of it looks in comparison to like the Chrome Hearts Classic Oval, and even just like the band of the turquoise ring. It's a lot better this way. But some people don't like chunkier rings and they're more about those thinner ones, so that's always a concept as well. I'll try and bring that up there to showcase it to you. But there is the double feather 18 karat little stamp there as well. I think it looks fantastic, and it works very well aesthetically with the other First Arrows ring that I have here, the turquoise eagle there. I'm gonna have to replace the classic oval Chrome Hearts ring at some point, or like not replace it, but have my First Arrows and then have my Chrome Hearts finger collection as well. But man, it's awesome. Very happy with the second First Arrow pickup there. I'm going to be slowly collecting more and more of them. As I mentioned though, I'm going to have to play around with how I want the actual feathers to lay out. This is just my first time trying it, but don't be surprised in the future if you see me like change up how it's spaced and whatnot. But I really like how that approach was done. I was quite worried to see it like just like over the top of each other, and I was like, oh no, I'm gonna have to bend it. But nah, it works out very, very well. I'll try and move it again to try and showcase it to you there. Love it. Okay, another one down. I feel like I'm ticking off the list slowly on the pieces that I'm collecting, but there is another First Arrows one there. I love it. It's fantastic. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts on First Arrow and this double feather ring that we have here now that I've unboxed it. Are you a big fan of their jewelry, or big fan of like Native American inspired jewelry in general? Is it a hit for you? Is it a miss for you? Maybe you're more about like the gothic look of Chrome Hearts, or the different looks of other brands and other ring brands and jewelry brands in general. But let me hear your thoughts on either First Arrows or this ring in general down in that comment section below. Well, that's it fully showcased, guys. I'm very happy to add another piece of jewelry to my collection and my hands in general. I think the more First Arrows pieces I'm going to get, I feel like they very much are going to complement all the capital that I'm wearing all the time and just that aesthetic in general. And I just really like the craftsmanship that they put into it, the design choices, the material choices. It always ticks all the boxes for me, so I'm very happy with that. I'm definitely going to be coming back for them. I need to pick up something for my left hand though, because yeah, like it's just like, this is just kind of a Frankenstein of all the jewelry that I've picked up over the years, and it doesn't have like a direction, and I want to push it into like the first arrows direction. But yeah, that is the double feather 18 karat stamp ring showcase there on my right hand. I've got a little bit too much on my right hand, need to start focusing on the left, but very happy with it. I ordered it in my size. They designed it, made it, sent it to me, came to me very quick, like within like 2 weeks it came to me after they finished making it for me. They gave me an estimated time that it was going to arrive, and I think it arrived even before that time there. So very happy with the service that they provide. I definitely recommend you go check them out on Instagram or check their online store, which I can link down below. It's awesome ordering a lot of jewelry from them. Just make sure that you get the right size though, because you don't want to order something that isn't your size. But yeah, I'm very happy with it. Love to hear your thoughts on either the brand or the style in general, the Native American style for the jewelry. Let me know how you feel about it down in that comment section below. Of course, if you guys want me to keep unboxing my various things that I pick up and talk about them and everything like that, you've just got to give me the 3 indicators I always ask you for, which is a like on this video, a comment in that comment section down below, and if you haven't already, a subscribe to the channel. We're trying to hit the subscriber milestone of 3,695 subscribers before the end of the month. Hopefully with your guys' continuous support, we can reach that milestone before the end of August. Well guys, that's it completely unboxed. I'm gonna rock it. Now I've got my night shift, so I'm gonna have to go do my night shift and then come home and do all the editing for all the videos that I've done today. It's quite a huge day on the channel, lots of things to cover, lots of things to talk about and showcase, but yeah, very excited to do that when I get home from work. Very happy with the ring, very happy with First Arrows, and I'm definitely going to be picking up more from them in the future. I have to get something for this hand. Next, but yeah, that's everything I got to say about it, guys. So until the next unboxing video, until the next streetwear talk video, until the next First Arrows video in general, guys, I'll catch you later.